Hi kids, welcome to Kaiko Lessons. The chapter which we are going to discuss today is Run, which is taken from the book Marigold, Class 4, English and NCERT syllabus. This is Prithvi Vinod who is going to present you this video. Run, away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run beneath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day, run to the country, away, away. The poem is by Mary Daunt. What are the new words given in this poem? Raindrops, beneath, breeze, hillside, meadow and merry. Let us see the meanings and make sentences for these new words. Raindrops, drops of rain. It is lovely to watch raindrops on the window. Beneath, under something. Rachel is sitting beneath the tree. Breeze, a gentle wind. We were enjoying in the cool breeze. Hillside, the side of a hill. Beautiful flowers grew along the hillside. Meadow, a piece of grassland. I saw cows grazing in the meadow. Merry, cheerful. Let's eat, drink and be merry. Reading is fun. What does the poem tells us to do? The poem tells us to run to the country all through the day and be merry. Write about the places where the poet wants us to run. The poet wants us to run down the hillside, up the lane and through the meadow. Let's talk. Do you like to play and run about? Why? Yes, I like to play and run about in the park. It is because I feel fresh and energetic after that. Running is a very good exercise. Name any three games that you play in which you have to run. I like to play football, cricket and basketball. In these three games, we run. When you run fast, what do you feel is happening to your body? When I run fast, my heart beats faster. The energy level of my body also gets increased. Say aloud, beneath, breeze, meet, fear, each, meadow. Let's spell. Some letters are missing in each word. Write EE or EA in the each word. Trees, please, tease, teach, sleep, beep, feet, meet or meet. In this, you can either write MEET or MEAT. Now add more words with EE and EA and put them inside the bubbles. Bee, cheese, sheep, meat, beach, sea. Let's listen. Say the words aloud one by one. Follow the instructions and move your body accordingly. Shoulders, move them up and down. Feet, walk forward and backward. Run, fast and slow. Hands, move them left and right. Now jump, hop, march and tiptoe. Let's write. Answer the questions by looking at the picture on the opposite page. Example, what is happening in picture 5? The girl is diving into the water. Here is the picture. Look at this picture before answering. What is Mohan practicing in picture 4? He is practicing to jump. What are Anil and his friends pulling in picture 3? Anil and his friends are pulling a rope on both the ends. Where are the boats racing in picture 2? The boats are racing in the river water. What are the boys doing in picture 1? The boys are running on the ground. What are the girls doing in picture 6? They are swimming in the pool. Now make one more question for each picture. Write the question in the space below each picture. Use how many, what are, where are, where is, how, why to make questions. How many boys are there? What are the boys doing? How many boys are there in the picture? Why is Mohan practicing? From where is the girl jumping? Why are the girls swimming? Thank you, kids.